This is Mainak and welcome to my YouTube channel HomeAway Traveler. On 14th of November 2018, Royal Enfield launched its two twins, the Continental GT650 and the Interceptor 650, and I was fortunate enough to get the test ride of the Interceptor 650 provided by Royal Enfield Kamarhati BOC showroom. Royal Enfield has always been good to me, especially the BOC showroom. Since my father bought Husky from here, I have always been greeted well every time I visit the show. Most of the subscribers are from Royal Enfield as well.
Today I am at the Royal Enfield showroom and I am shooting over here in the trial room. Well, that's not the thing. So I am here at the Royal Enfield showroom for the new test ride of the Continental GT and the Interceptor 650. As you can see, the Royal Enfield twins, which has been launched recently on 14th of November. So I did the test ride of only the Interceptor 650, as in the Continental GT 650 was not available for as of now. It's just you have to give the driving license to the showroom and they will offer you the bike with the key and you can just drive it in the city.
Okay, so finally I am on the Interceptor 650, the Royal Enfield Beast, and thanks to Royal Enfield for offering me to test ride this bike and also review this bike. I don't know how much I am hearable because this is the first time I am using GoPro. Also thanks to the person in front of me, that is Bhaskar, that is GoPro, and this is Abir, our cameraman. All the DSLR shots you are seeing is taken by him. So let's get the party started. Yeah.
Most of the Royal Enfield riders use their bike for commuting. Well, if you think that if you are going to use this 650cc as a commuter, then that's going to be a big wrong step you are going to take. But obviously, if you are thinking that you will go for long rides and highway run in the weekends, then this is the bike for you.
Under 2.5 lakh rupees ex-showroom or about less than 3 lakh rupees on-road for this 650cc twin-cylinder Royal Enfield. That's incredible. The story behind this is you have no upside-down fork, the engine is air and oil cooled instead of liquid cooled. But you still got a solid package. I love the chrome-based handlebar with a base in the middle, the fantastic finished dual exhaust, and of course the fact that you got spoked wheels with Pirelli Phantom Sportscom tires. The sitting position is nice, upright, roomy, and it is comfy. Then there is a tank which actually looks short and broad, and you would think that it could hold a lot of fuel, but it gets only 13.7 liters. If you are worried about the ground clearance, then don't be, because the Interceptor has 174 mm of ground clearance. That's 40 mm more than the classic 350.
The bike is going to give a huge heat dissipation, which is not actually reliable for many of them. But if you are a KTM rider, KTM 390 or something, but the racing bike rider, then this heat dissipation is okay for you. Might be it okay, but it will be okay. But for me, if you ask me, it was a bit more, because I am a R15 rider and R15, you guys know, does not give up that much heat, and also I have a classic 350, and 350 is is a normal heat dissipation which it offers. that's it for today. I think you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, then do hit the like button, do comment down below how much you like this video, and if you want to know anything about the bike, then do read the description box. And you may ask me as well. I have my Instagram ID, it's a HomeAway Traveler. You just can DM me there, follow me, and then DM me obviously. And also if you want to connect with me in Facebook, I have a Facebook page as well, that's HomeAway Traveler. Also if you want to get more in touch with me, then you can just ping me or send a request to me in Facebook. It's Moinak Ganguly. All the link and the description will be given in the description box below. Also in the video it may appear, or maybe I'm not sure about that. But that's the thing. Thank you, bye bye, take care, bye.